Now let us discuss fourth question. So fourth question, see the question. 30 women were examined in a hospital by a doctor and the number of heartbeats per minute were recorded and summarized as follows. Find the mean heartbeats per minute for these women. Choosing a suitable method. That is only one method, direct method we are following. So let us take CI first. So this is fourth one. CI. That is number of heartbeats. Then FI is nothing but what here? Number of women. Number of women. Okay. Now CI first one. 65 to 68. Number of women is 2. 68 to 71, 4. Then 71 to 74, 3. Then 74 to 77, 8. Then 77 to 87. Then 82, 83, 4. 83 to 86, 2. Okay. So here we have to find mean. Now this is what? FI. Then we have to find what? Class mark XI. Class mark or midpoint XI means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. 65 to 68, 3 differences. Here also 3. Everywhere it is 3 difference. Am I right? Okay, means plus 1.5 I had, that is 66.5, 69.5, 72.5, 75.5, then 78.5, 81.5, 84.5. This is what? XI. Then I need FI into XI. Means you have to multiply this. 66 double of 66 is 132. 132 plus 1, 133 it is. Am I right? Or you can multiply. Then 5 4s are, so this is 0.0. 5 2s are 10, carries 1. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Again 1 carries. 6 2s are 12 plus 1 13. Again you can multiply it by 4. 5 4s are 20, carries 2. 36 36 plus 2, 38, carries 3. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 27. Am I right? Then 5 3s are 15, carries 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. 7 2s are 21. Then 8 5s are 40, carries 4. 8 5s are 40 plus 4, 44. Again carries 4. 56 plus 4, 60. Then 7 5s are 35, carries 3. 8 7s are 56 plus 3, 59, carries 5. 49 plus 5, 49 and 54. Then 5 4s are 20, carries 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 8 4s are 32. Then 5 2s are 10, carries 1. 4 2s are 8 plus 1, 9. 8 2s are 16. This is what? Fi, Xi. Okay. While multiplying should be carefully multiplied. If any one number is mistake, then the whole problem will be mistake. Okay, first I draw a table for this. I need sum of fi and fixi. Okay, now let us add this first. 6, 9, 9, 17, 17, 24, 28, 30. They given it for 30 women. Then this is 5 plus 5, 10. 10, 16, 16 means 25, 25, 29, 36, 44, 47. 10, 12, 16, 17, 24, 27. Carries 2. 3, 6, 11. 11 plus 6, 17, 17, 19, 20, 22 it is, 22. Okay, 2277. Now let us calculate it. Mean, that is by direct method. By direct method, mean x bar is equals to sum of fi xi from I equals to 1 to n divided by sum of fi from I equals to 1 to n. Now x bar is equal to sum of fi xi 2277 divided by, that is 30. This is what? 30. Now let us divide this by 3. So 3 means it is 10. X bar is equal to 3 sevens are how much it is? 21. 21 means 1 is there, 17. 3 5s are 15. 2 it will become 27. 9s are 3 9s are 27 divided by 10. So this is x bar is equal to 75.9. So this is the mean. Okay, x bar is equal to 75.9. Let us write the conclusion for every problem. Okay, so you write the conclusion for previous problems also. So for this one, 75.9, it is mean of heartbeats per minute. So CI is nothing but what it is. So they given that it is what? Heartbeat per minute it is. Okay, so that will be the mean of heartbeat per minute is equal to 75.9. Okay, so like this you can write the mean for a previous problems also you write it. Next, fifth question. In a retail market, fruit vendors were selling mangoes kept in a packing boxes. These boxes contained varying number of mangoes. The following was distribution of mangoes according to the number of boxes. So they given the table, number of mangoes and number of boxes. Find the mean number of mangoes kept in a packing box. Which method of finding the mean did you choose? So we choose the direct method only here. Now let us take CI. Directly I will take number of mangoes, that I will take as CI. But one we have to observe here, that CI they given, it is not continuous, because see here, first one 50 to 52, then second one they given as 50 to 55. Up to now, the problems we have discussed, they are continuous. If they end with 52 here, it must start here as 52. Okay, like that only problems was there. But now here it is not continuous. So we have to make it as continuous. For that, for every class interval, we have to add 0.5 to the upper limit. We have to subtract 0.5 to the lower limit. Then you will get it as continuous. Because, see here, I'll write it 50 to 52 first. Then 53, 55, 56 to 58, 59 to 61, 60 to 64. So these are the class intervals given is not continuous because here it ends with 52, starts 53. It is not continuous. 55, 56, not continuous. Mean continuous is nothing but what? Here if it ends 55, it must start here as 55. Then it is continuous. Now I am going to make it as what? Continuous. For that, I will subtract 0.5 in the lower limit. I will add 0.5 in the upper limit. Then I'll get it as what? Continuous. So here the first one is what? 50 to 52. 52, 52. I have to subtract 0.5. It will become what? 49.52. We have to add 52.5. Then subtract 0.5. It will become what? 52.5. Add 0.5. That is 55.5. So that it can become continuous. Okay. What operation I applied here? So subtract 0.5 for each lower limit and add 0.5 for each upper limit. So that you can get it as what? Continuous. Then 55.5 to 58.5. Then 58.5 to 61.5. Then 61.5 to 64.5. Okay. So now we got it as a continuous. Okay. So for each class interval, for each problem, you should observe whether the given class interval is continuous or not. If it is not continuous, you should make it as continuous. Without making continuous, if you solve it, that is whole problem will be wrong. Okay. Now, so Fi they given here is what? Fifth one. Number of boxes. Number of boxes. That is what? Fi. Frequency. What is that? 15, 110, 135, then 115, then 25. Okay, this is Fi. Now, next same procedure. Class mark we have to find. Class mark. That is what here? Xi. Means upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. For that, you observe the difference, means a range for each class interval. 49.5 to 52.5. For each, difference is 3. Here also, difference is 3, 3, 3. Everywhere it is 3. So that I have to add 1.5. I will get it as a class mark. So if you add 1.5, that will become 51. So this is 54. Then 57. 57. Then 60. Am I right? Then this is 63. 61, 62, 63, 50, 59, 60, 55, 6, 7, 2, 3, 3, 4. Okay, right. 51. Now Xi I got. Then the next column will be Fi into Xi. Okay, I have to find it. Fi Xi. Now, for that I have to multiply 15 into 51. 15 into 51. 5 ones are 5. 1, 25, 26, 5 plus 2, 7, 765. Then 110 into 54, that is 11 into 54. 11 fours are 44. 0 is there. 11 fours are 44, carries 4. 11 fives are 55 plus 4. 55 plus 4, 59. Then 135 into 57. 135 into 57. Multiplication is very difficult. So that for that only we are following assumed mean method and step deviation method, because so these multiplication is very hard. That's why. Now multiply this. 57 into 5. 57 5s are 35. 25, 28, 5. Then 57 3s are 21. 15 plus 2, 17. 171 plus 28, 991. So that is what? 9. 57 ones are 57 plus 19. So this is 16. 7. This is what? 7695. 7695. Next, 115 into 6. So 0 keep as it is. 6 5s are 30. 3 carries. 6 ones are 6 plus 3, 9. 6 ones are 6. Then 25 into 63. 5 into 63. 5 3s are 15. 3 2s are 6. 6 5s are 30. 30 plus 6, 37 plus 1, 30. 30, 36 plus 1, 37. Carries 3. 6 2s are 12 plus 3, 15. That is what? 1575. Okay. Now let us draw the table. Okay. Now we have to find sum of Fix and sum of Fi. So this is 10, 15, 20, 4, 5, 8, 9, 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. 400 it is. Then sum of this one. So 10, 15 carries 1, 8, 17, 21, 21 plus 6, 27. 7, 16, 24, 24 plus 9, that is 33, 33, 40, 11, 11, 18, 18 plus 5, 18 plus 5, 23, 23075 it is. Okay, this is what? Sum of Fixi. Next we have to find mean number of mangoes in each box. So by direct method. That too by what? Direct method. By direct method, let us write the formula to find the mean. Mean x bar is equal to sum of Fi xi divided by sum of Fi from I equals to 1 to n. I equals to 1 to n. Substitute the values. Here it is what? 23075. Once again we shall check this whether it is right or wrong. 5, 10, 15 carries 5, 1. 8 means 17, 21, 27 carries 2. 7 or 16, 16 plus 6, 22, 22 plus 9, 31, 31, 38. I did mistake maybe. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 9, 16. 16 plus 6, 22. 22 plus 9, 31. 31 plus 7, 38 it is. 38. Next, 3 plus 1, 4. 10. 10, 15. 15 means 22. Okay. Now this will be 228 22875 divided by 400. This 400 I can write it as 4 into 100. Okay, so I'll keep 100 as it is. So divided this by 4. 4 5s are 20. 2 remains. 2 is nothing but 28. 7s are 28. Only remaining is 75. Take 0. Now you can divide this by 7 can be divided by 4. 4 ones are 4. Remaining is 3. 35. 8s are 32. 32 means for 35, 32, 3 remains. 3 point 30. Now for that 7. 7 4s are 28. So this is equal to 2 zeros are there. 57.187. So this is what mean number of mangoes in each box. So let us write the conclusion. So therefore the mean number of mangoes in each box is 57.187. Okay. Now for each box. Now so remaining how many are there? Maybe remaining 4 are there, I think. So remaining 4. Okay, right. Then 6th one and 7th one. You try yourself. Okay. So by tomorrow 6th and 7th one you try and send your solution to me. So I'll give the solution for that 6th and 7th one. Later I will give the solution for that. You try yourself 6th and 7th one. You follow only direct method. Okay. You solve it by direct method.